Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to download and use WhatsApp on your laptop and PC. It's a very simple and easy process. For this, you have to go to any of your browser. Just go into your browser and type here download WhatsApp. You can see the suggestion. You can proceed with the suggestion keywords. You can see the official website www.whatsapp.com or download WhatsApp desktop for Windows. Just go here and here you can see that it's a file of 97.646 MB. Just to download and install, click on this green button and wait for the download. It's downloading. After downloading, we'll see how to use the WhatsApp on your computer. Basically, how it's work, you can see here how to download. So you can see here. I'm going to show you and discuss how you can run WhatsApp in your personal computer or laptop. Basically, you cannot create account in your WhatsApp, but you can log into your WhatsApp by your mobile. If you have WhatsApp downloaded and account created in your mobile, there is option in WhatsApp you can log into web and desktop by a scanner option. How does desktop WhatsApp work? An application you can download to come to your computer. WhatsApp web and desktop are computer based extensions of the WhatsApp account on your mobile. The messages you send and receive and send between your phone and computer, and you can see your messages on both devices. Look at that. Mm, you have WhatsApp in your Android mobile, it's installed and account created. After that, you can log into your laptop or PC by the help of your Android WhatsApp application. Just open the application in your Android. There on 3 on the type top right corner here, we'll see if there are images available. Yeah, here it's a desktop. Let me find if there is Android. You can see the picture. Basically, it's the option when you open the desktop. You'll see a scanner in your desktop. Sorry, QR code, barcode at your desktop. Yeah, in this picture you can see that. Click on the three dots in your Android like that, and here you will see add new device. Your QR code will start and your scanner will be open. You just have to scan the QR code you're displaying on the desktop. Our file is downloaded. Let install. Simply click on the install button. It's installing. Will take few time. 99% and it's downloaded completed. It's installed in your computer and just click on get started button. Here you can see that and the process how to log in to your WhatsApp on your laptop. To set up WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu like that, three dots, or setting and select linked devices. After that, tap link a device and point your phone to this screen to capture the code. This screen, your QR scanner will be open in your Android device. Just you have to scan this from your scanner of Android mobile and you will be logging to your WhatsApp on computer and laptop. Hope you friends like this video. I need your support. Please like the video, give a positive comment and subscribe this channel. We'll discuss many tech videos, informative videos. It will be very beneficial if you subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Take care.